Hmm. You have created account, then
Yes, ma'am. I have installed the SEO plugins also, ma'am. But here
okay.
I have what you have displayed on last session. It is
Mm-hmm.
somewhat different, ma'am. The login process and creating is somewhat different, ma'am.
It is
When
different. Where you have installed this on WordPress or means which platform have you used? The WordPress,
Infinity
Infinity
free
Free.
only, ma'am. But
Okay.
here, when we open the Infinity free, there direct itself there is a registration or login, ma'am. Direct itself it is displayed. I have
Mm-hmm.
registered initially. After
Mm-hmm.
that, I have logged in and I have created
Mm-hmm.
website, ma'am.
Okay, you have created website, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Domain,
designing part is
domain.
clear. No, no, not created.
Uh, Up to I have completed WordPress. I have completed, ma'am. WordPress I have completed. I have
Mm-hmm.
installed Master SEO plugin also, ma'am. Up to there I
Okay.
have completed, ma'am. After that I have checking the media that all I have checked, but that I have not completed, ma'am. Up to here I have completed, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Designing part, I'll tell you how to do that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank
okay,
you, ma'am.
okay. Uday, are you there? Please
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Okay, so have you completed your website designing part?
Ma'am, I did not complete, ma'am, because I have asked for the recording of the previous session class, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
If the recording is there, it will be helpful, ma'am. Like if there is any doubts occur
Mm-hmm.
when we are doing the practice session.
Okay.
So I'm not done any practice
Acha.
or like
You have
creating.
not installed.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
not installed the WordPress.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Not installed, ma'am.
Not yet. Okay, okay. ठीक है.
Ma'am,
So
please, ma'am, from today onwards, please provide the previous classes recordings also, ma'am, so that
sure, you will get that. You will get the recordings. The recordings are available on the portal itself. You can check the recordings on portal on the website.
okay, okay, ma'am. Actually, I have messaged ma'am regarding session classes, ma'am,
Okay, okay.
on
ठीक है.
WhatsApp.
Okay, okay. We'll provide you the recordings. Okay, Uday.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Arulya, are you there?
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. So, have
Uh,
you completed your website?
Ma'am, I'm a new joinee. I just joined last week,
Acha.
so I haven't attended any
Okay.
classes and calls.
Okay, okay, no problem. You can go through the recorded sessions, and if there is any query related to that, then you can ask me in the next session. Okay.
So, are you sending the recorded sessions anywhere?
In the group, you'll get the recordings. Okay,
Okay, okay.
links to the recordings, and you can check on the portal itself. There also you
I
can.
have access to the portal, but then it doesn't show anything.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. We'll provide you links to the recorded sessions in group itself. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And what about Surya? Hi, Surya.
Yeah, I just had a many doubts in creating that.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, I'm new to the WordPress actually,
Okay.
but you told me that it'd be free, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
But it is asking me to pay for some amount.
Where it is asking for? I mean, acha, when you no, have you clicked on upgrade the domain and
No, no,
something like that?
I just clicked on the basic version,
Uh-huh.
but then it is asking me to for some upgrade like to pay 160 kind of thing. I don't understand what to do. I just
Um,
left from that. But
okay.
there is an issue where I faced, so I just stopped creating it. So I thought of asking you now. So
You have infinityfree.com or
no,
the
no, 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 no.
WordPress.com?
I just use WordPress
WordPress. Okay, I'm
because
showing. In the last session, I have not shown the WordPress.com platform, right? So
yes,
I'm showing that. Okay.
okay, but it is asking us to pay some for a basic pay like an starter pack.
You don't have to pay anything for free
Oh.
version. Okay.
Okay, basically I'm a first time user. You told me
Mhm.
that we'll be having a free.
Yes,
Please, you
yes,
can
it is for.
repeat. I don't get any.
Mhm.
So let us discuss about that.
I'm sharing my screen. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Vanita, hi. Are you there?
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. So, you're joining this session first time, or have
Yes,
you?
exactly.
First time. Okay. You know about the WordPress, Vanita?
Yes, I know about that.
Okay. Have you created any website yet?
Yes, I'll share the link with you if you want. Like, you can
Sure,
just check
sure.
that out, right?
Sure, you can. Yes, yes, you can share it in the chat box.
Sure,
Okay.
ma'am. Thanks.
Oh, yeah. So I'm sharing the free version of WordPress. How can you create a website there? Once again. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So here, this is the WordPress.com, right? Now, I'm clicking on Add New Site. So we'll get this page. Here you have to search for your domain. For example, um, website designing tutorial. Okay, let's search for this. And see here in the website designing tutorial, all the others are paid domains, but this one which contains this wordpress.com as an extension, this is free. Okay, so you have to select this one if you want to go for the free plan. Okay, so when you want the free version, you have to select this one only. You cannot select any other extension. Okay, all the others are paid ones. So we'll go with this. Click on select and then click on continue. After this, these are the hosting plans. So we will go with the free version. That is here 0 rupees are mentioned, right? So we'll get started with this free plan. Right now, you have to select the goal. What do you want to accomplish with your website? Okay, there are different goals like write and publish, sell online, promote your myself for business, and
Sorry for the interruption. I had a
yes.
I don't find any .wordpress.com. I don't find that extension. That's why I go for another one.
Sorry,
Even now,
you huh? Yes.
I don't find any extension. I don't find that.
Not available.
Yes, there is only two free website available, and that is one is blog, another one is .com.
Okay, what is the name of your domain? What you have searched for?
Yeah, we'll be sending tutorial. That's it.
Same
Yes,
WordPress tutorial.
two tutorial two.
I'm not getting it. Can you type in the chat box? What is the name exactly?
Sure.
I'll search for it on my website.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, Infinix free, Infinite free,
Have you
and
shared
this
it?
is
Yeah, yes. Can I check it? I just
Yes,
adding.
yes, yes. Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, Kartik.
the previous session is Infinity free. That is one process, and this is direct WordPress is under one process, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Okay, ma'am.
I'm showing both the things. You can select any one of them. On Infinity Free, you will get access to plugins and everything. On WordPress.com, there are limitations. You cannot install plugins and all. Okay, so that is up to you which one you want to use for as a beginner. Okay.
With I will go with the Infinity Premium. It is having
Yes,
plugins and medias and multiple
yes,
options.
that's why I have shown it to you in the previous session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is your domain website designing tutorial, right? So it is see, this is available website designing tutorial 27.wordpress.com. Can you see this, Surya? I'm searching for this.
No, I have my skin, but it is not available in my screen. That is why I'm.
Um, okay.
Shall I
Okay.
share a screen?
Okay. See one thing. I after the session, I'll
Okay,
guide
okay,
you.
fine,
Okay.
fine, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So one second. Right now, I'm continuing with the previous one. Okay. This one. Start with the free plan. Okay, so here I'm selecting others so that we'll get all the features that are available. Continue. Now we have to select a theme, okay, or we can design by our own. So I'll go for the themes. Here different topics are available, means what will be the theme of your website. On the basis of that, you can select the design. Okay, this wherever you get this upgrade thing, these are the premium plans, say premium themes. So we cannot select this for now, we just have to select any free theme. Okay, so free themes are mm, this is the free theme, so I go with that. Okay, and after this click on continue. I think we can change the acha, but this is okay. We can change the color theme also from here. Continue, but it is not available in free version. Okay, so continue with the given theme. Right now here, it is the customization part. So you can start editing your website right from here. Give your site a name, site title and tagline you can write here. For example, what was that? Website designing tutorial. Okay, tagline you can okay, continue. Now select a design, already done. Choose a plan, already done. Now write your first post or edit site design. So we'll go with the edit site design. First of all, click on launching website. Now don't click on claim your domain, else it will ask you to upgrade the plan. Okay, so we'll cross this, and now we'll start designing the website. Before that, I'll explain what this dashboard of what backend of site. Okay, if you want to visit website, there are two options. Either you can click on this view site button, or you can directly click on this, means you can hover your cursor on this website designing tutorial name, and here is this visit site. Okay, so you can right click and open link in new tab. Okay, so you can open this website. Now these are the options available. This is the mailbox where you will receive the mails. Post, post are the dynamic part of website where you update latest things or anything related to your product or services or related to your brand. Okay, so it is the dynamic part because we keep updating the post on our website. Okay, so if you want to create new post, you can click on add new post, and in the all post section you will have the list of all the posts that you have published on your website. Okay, or you have drafted in your website. Okay, so all will be available here. After that, this is the media section. In the from the media section, you images, videos, documents, audios to your website. Okay, this is the media section, and if you want to add new one, you can select this button, add new, right? Then we have pages. So what are pages? Pages are the static content of your website. Okay, means we barely add something to the pages. For example, means we don't. Okay, about us page. Okay, so it contains static information. For example, the establishment of our brand, right? So this is the static part of the website. We don't have to change it again and again whenever a brand was founded or our company was founded, right? So pages are generally the static part of the website. Okay, now here you can see the comments on your website or pages. Okay, feedbacks you can check here. These are the plugins. This is the WooCommerce plugin used for e-commerce website, right? And from this appearance section, you can go to themes. Editor means you can change the theme of your website from this theme section. From the editor section and customize section, you can edit and customize your website. Okay, then we have plugins. So plugins are basically for adding some features to additional features to our website, right? But in the free version, we cannot install plugins in the WordPress.com. Okay, WordPress.com does not allow you to install plugins in the free version. Okay, if you want to access plugins, you have to create your website on infinityfree.com. There you can install plugins also, right? So this is the plugins area. Then you have from here, this is the user section where you can allot new users a particular mail ID to access your website. Okay, if you have a team, right, like someone you have hired for writing only, someone is for SEO only. Okay, so you can allot different from here. Then we have tools, okay, for advertising, importing, monetizing. Okay, then this is the settings of website where writing, reading, discussion, newsletter, all the things are available, right? So these are the options available on the dashboard of WordPress, right? Now let's see how to edit the theme. Okay, so let's go to editor. So this is the theme, and this is the navigation part. About, blog, and home. Okay, the menu is available here. If you want to edit this list, you can edit this. Okay, for example, if you want to drag it here, or home page should be at the first. So like this you can change the position of the menus available here. Okay, in the style section how should be but this will be the premium version, so we cannot select this actually. Pages, you can select from here which pages you want to show on the in the menu section, that you can select here. Okay, these are the templates available. If you want to select any a particular template for footer or header or something, so that you can select from here. And okay, so which for example this is the gallery, so you will get the, but all these are again premium version, so we cannot access this also, right? Now let's see how to customize the website. So I'll click on customize here, and from here we can upload logo for our website from here. Okay, site title, tagline we have already updated. Site icon is the icon that appears here, like you can see the WordPress site icon here, right? So just like that, if you want to upload a site icon for your website, you can upload it from here. Logo you can upload from here. Then this is the menu section. Okay, so you can create new menu, and or you can edit the existing one. This is the primary video. You can select the menu from here, or you can create the new one. Okay, it will appear here. After this, home page setting. So in the home page you can either keep it as a static page, or you can publish your latest post on the home page. Okay, so only the latest post means it will look like this, for example. Okay, only the latest post will appear here. Okay, or if you want a static page on home page, so it will look like this. You have to design this page. Okay, we'll customize this also. Then colors we cannot change, fonts we cannot change in the free version. Okay, now let's sorry. Is it clear? Any doubt related to this part, means the options available on WordPress and how to edit those options, Surya?
Yes, I heard a doubt. It is free for 1 year, right?
Yes, this is the free.
For next year, we have to purchase, then only we can access it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And if you want to access these plugins and all for free, you have to create it on infinityfree.com. There you can go. Okay.
Oh, it is free for whole time.
Yes.
Okay.
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 I have show in the previous session we have
Yes.
right. Okay,
Yes,
so
okay.
that you can do. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the one second. We'll click on edit page for editing the images and text part of the home page. Now if you want to change anything, like for example I want to change this image. Okay, so I click on this image, and from here this is the image, right? So click on this image and replace this image and upload another image in place of this. Okay. Image also upload new one also, right? So featured image is this, and if you want to upload the new one, so you can upload, I think, related to yoga. Soulful yoga. Okay. So this is how you can change the image. Okay, you can replace the existing image. Okay, and if you want to undo it, you can do it from here. Okay, now if you want to change the text part or anything, any element, if you want to change, you have to just double click on that and you will be able to change it. For example, let's understand WordPress. Sorry. Okay, so this is how you can change the text part. Okay, and image again the same. You have to click on this and you have to replace this. Okay, you have to just keep in mind the what is the size of existing image. You have to upload the new one, keeping in mind the size of existing one. Okay, so these are the things that you can do for customizing this home page. Okay, whenever you will click on any element, so or any block, so the settings of that block will appear here on the right hand side. Okay, the color part, text, background, size of that text. Okay, and appearance you can select from here, bold, extra bold, everything you can select from here. Okay, does not double click on this, it does not appear. Then what you have to click on this is the settings option here on the right hand side upper corner. Okay, so click on this and the settings will appear. Okay, go to advanced section. HTML anchor is there. I'll tell you how this HTML anchor works and how we can create this once you get all the things related to customization. Okay, customizing the design, right? So this is about the blocks and all, and this is the page setting. Okay, here you will get all the details related to page, and this is the excerpt part where you can write a small description about your page. What is your page all about? Okay, so any questions related to this? Any question? Anyone?
Mama,
No?
I want to discuss one thing.
Yes.
Actually, I've purchased my domain from a Red server. Okay,
Okay.
so from there, I've installed WordPress and then
Mm-hmm.
the site.
Okay.
So, like, what can I do on that? Like, I've never did this.
So you have installed the WordPress, right?
Yes.
Okay, so one second, I'm showing the that portal also. When you will select, when you will purchase the domain, how it will appear. One second. So is my screen visible, Varnita?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how your dashboard will look like. It is just same, but we have access here. So
Right.
if you want to change themes and all, you just have to go to this appearance section.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, you have already created the website, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So what is the doubt? What do you want to ask in that?
No, so I'm just curious about this thing. Like, I have like, shall I learn about this also? Shall I make this free? Shall I make
No,
this?
no, 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 no need to create on free version. It is just for the people who means or other students who are not,
Mhm.
no, you are who are new to the WordPress. Okay.
Oh, understood. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, See, Karthik, you have a problem regarding the designing part of website, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Through I have gone through Infinity Free now, ma'am.
Yes, yes. That also I am sharing.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
give me. So this is the Infinity free version, and we have to log in. Um, this was the website, I think. Okay, so let's go to this website, reload the page. What was the website? What, website design with login. Is my screen visible?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, one second, one second. I'm sharing it once again. Actually, I forgot the password of this.
Madam, I am also faced the same issue of one domain, ma'am. I have created two domains. In that, I have same problem, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Acha. Yeah, I forgot the password.
Uh,
Okay, one second. I have another website also.
ma'am, if we
You
delete
can.
that,
Yes.
if we delete that one, we can create on that same domain name, no, ma'am.
We can create another WordPress also. We can reinstall the WordPress also.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
But it is if you don't know the ID and password now, so just go. You can log in directly from here. This is the installation part of WordPress, so you can log in directly from WordPress.
So it is asking me to enter the password, ma'am. Username and
Oh,
password.
but it did not ask. I don't know how it got login, but okay. If you have installed it, so it's okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
First
this
one I
is the
have forgotten. Second one I created same domain, but at last I have created directory I have used, madam. dir used and I have created other domain, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, no problem. So this is the appearance part. From here, you can select the theme for your website. Okay. So I have installed this Cadence theme here on my website. Okay. So here we'll have uh, we can install the starter templates of Cadence theme. Okay. So it will be available, and let's search for starter templates. Cadence starter templates. Hmm, I think in this free version they are not giving starter templates. This is AI Cadence WP. Let's see. And activate. Hmm. Uh, okay, let's go to this website designing part. Click on added page here. Here also in the theme, you will have some limitations in customization, but it is much better than the WordPress.com because we have access to the plugins also here. Okay, so that we can do. The header part we cannot change here in this thing. Okay, means image we cannot replace. Okay, or let's try 1 second. From here we can change the things, but the header part which is available, that we cannot change. Okay, so here if you want to change the image, um, let's try with the added with page player. It will give you some templates of header, footer, and the sections of your home page, so you can select from there. Okay, from the page layer. Okay, this is the featured image part. You can upload the image from here. Okay, for example, I am again selecting that yoga one. Sorry. This one. So, and click on insert. Okay, this is the alt text, caption, and description. So this we will see what are this is the optimization of image. Okay, so this will see when we'll do optimization. Okay, so featured image we have done, uploaded from here. Now these elements, if you want to change, you just have to click on this pencil button. Can you see this pencil button? You just have to click on this, and after clicking on this you can edit the things. Like if you want to change the text, this text, these icons are not replaceable. I think icon style, uh, these icons we cannot change, but Acha, these are the list available. So we can select only from this list available. Okay, we cannot upload any other icon of our choice. Okay, the list is available. You can select the icon from this list only. Okay, so there are some limitations, like if you want to design this, so you have to click on this pencil button, so you'll be able to edit this part of the page. Okay, so this is how you have to do this. And if you want to change the image, let's see if we can change the image again. You have to go to the background part, and from here you can upload the video, or slider also you can select from here. Pro version means the premium thing, so we cannot change this, but I think video you can select from here. Okay, and if you want to add overlay to your this image, okay, so you can select the color of overlay from here, and you can make it transparent like this. Okay, and after this, shapes and styles, so we have not uh, uploaded any button here. So acha, this is the button, so we can select the width and all colors for this shapes and all. Okay, is it clear? This is how you can edit the theme or the design of your website. Okay, again there are some limitations, but still you can explore the designing part of website on free version. Okay, Karthik, is it clear now? Will you be able to edit your website design?
Yes, ma'am.
You can upload any other theme also. Astra you can use, or there are many themes available. Example, one second.
I have used Canoncy, ma'am.
Sorry.
Which one I have?
You have already selected a theme for your website?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So just try the designing or customizing thing, and if you still face any problem, then you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So any other doubt related to WordPress? Anyone? Think. Arulya? Arulya, are you there?
Can you tell me that?
Yeah, I'm there.
One second, Surya. Yes. So, have you seen the process? Can you do this process now on your website?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And what about Uday? Can you follow this process, Uday? Or still have any doubt?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay.
The recording
I
will
will
be
follow
shared
this.
with us, right?
Yes, yes. You'll get the recording.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Surya. You're asking something?
Can you please tell me that your report again?
What? Can you please repeat?
Can you please tell me that URL report which you told me, no? That URL.
URL. Which
Yeah.
URL? Acha, this
And
one.
yes.
You want this URL?
No, I'm asking you. You told me that navigating something, right? Kind of thing.
Acha, that means after the session, I'll tell you how to do this. Okay.
Okay.
After the session, after completing this session. Okay. We'll
I
connect.
saw that URL in that. What? That is why I'm asking.
Okay. Okay. So let's start with the search engine optimization now. You have to do this WordPress designing practically. We'll share the recordings and all with you. Okay. And if you will have the problems related to designing part, then we'll discuss it in the next session. Okay. So now let's start with the topic syllabus. So, what is search engine optimization? Any idea? What is SEO? Anyone? Varnita, any idea about search engine optimization? You're not audible, Varnita. Hello? Hello? Okay. Anyone else? Any idea about search engine optimization? What is SEO?
And
Yes.
whenever the user is searching something, so we
Mhm.
have to optimize according to the user search. There, the user will get our product as soon as possible. He will
Mhm.
find out the products or anything, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Karthik. I am sharing a PPT with you. We'll discuss what is search engine optimization. Just give me a second. Is the PPT visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, search engine optimization is basically the process through which we enhance the visibility of our website on search engine result page. Okay. But this process is free. Okay. We are not enhancing the visibility of our website or for ranking our website on search engine result pages. Okay, this is SEO, right? So it is the process where we are driving free traffic to our website from the search engine result page, right? Now, there are different types of SEO: on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, and one more is added, that is local SEO. Okay, so we have actually 4 types of SEO, right? Any idea about these types of SEO? What is on page SEO, what is off page SEO, technical SEO, and local SEO? Let's talk about on page first. What is on page SEO? Anyone? What is on page SEO? Any idea? No? Okay. So let me tell you in short. On page SEO includes all the things, all the activities that we do on our website itself. Okay, all the activities that we do inside our website, uh, that is considered as on page SEO. Okay, all the activities that helps in enhancing the visibility of our website on search engine result page. Okay, for example, what are the things included in on-page SEO? The optimization of content, okay, or the optimization of images, or titles, title tags and meta descriptions, the URL of our website, okay, or the internal linkings that we optimize. So keyword optimization, all these things comes under on-page SEO. I'm just telling in short all the types of SEO. Then we will understand all the types of SEO in details in the next session. Okay. So this is on page SEO. Then off page SEO. Off page SEO includes all the things, all the activities that we do outside of our website. Okay. Outside of our website, like when we share the link of our website on any other website, like on Quora, on Medium, or on any other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, anywhere. Okay. So when we are sharing our website link on any other platform, this is known as off-page SEO. Okay. This thing, this process is not. Yes, Vanita.
Does it include that backlink building also?
Yes, that is backlink building only. When we are sharing our website, our website link on any other website, that is known as backlink building only. Okay. So this is off-page SEO, and after off-page SEO, we have technical SEO. So any idea about technical SEO? What is technical SEO? Anyone? No. Okay. So technical SEO, as the name suggests, it deals with the technical part of our website, or the technical structure of our website. Okay. For example, the speed optimization of our website. Okay. Or the structure of our website, right? How it will look like. Okay. And the internal structure, internal linking structure of our website. All these things, the robots, how to make friendly themes, selecting themes, arranging themes, all these things comes under technical SEO. Okay, clear? On page, off page, technical, all the 3 are clear. Any doubt in this? Yes, Vanita, asking something?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Okay. Then last, we have local SEO. So what is local SEO? I think we have discussed this in the first class. Local SEO. Can anyone tell me what is local SEO?
Local SEO means, ma'am, if we do any business in a Mumbai area, so we will use local SEO, ma'am, so that the area it will cover by the Google location. We will find it in Google locations or whatever the business. When we search particular business, it will find out. We will use local SEO, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Means local SEO actually, we have talked about the Google business profiling, right? or the local citations we can do in the local SEO. Okay, so this includes registering our business on Google Business Profile or in the local directories, so that people of local area, when they will search for the keywords related to your business, or when they search the name of your business, it will appear with all the details, the opening time, closing time, ratings, reviews, images of your business. Everything will be there on the search engine result page. Okay, this is known as local SEO, right? All the four are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one second, I'm sharing. Okay, so what are the general practice in search engine optimization? How will we start with the search engine optimization? Okay, the keyword research will be included, okay, in this, and content creation and optimization part will be there. That will do practically. Um, Okay. Content creation and optimization, then technical optimization will do, and the link building part will be there. Okay. So these are the general practice that is included in search engine optimization. Why search engine optimization is important, and how to get started with the search engine optimization, that we will see in the next class. So in detail. Okay, so we have 5 minutes, so we cannot start the new topic, but you can tell me if you know why the search engine optimization is important for our website or for any digital marketer. Can anyone tell me?
To rank our website, ma'am, SEO is most important, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. Any other importance? One by one, everyone has to have to tell one importance of search engine optimization. Vanita?
Yeah, for increasing the traffic.
Increasing the traffic. Okay, very good. Yes, Surya?
Just to increase our market value. Just to increase the productivity.
Okay, yes, market value we can increase using search engine optimization. Very good. Ashrojit, can you tell one importance of search engine optimization?
Yes, ma'am. This is a free tool because very important.
Okay, means we can divert, or we can bring free traffic to our website using search engine optimization. That you want to say, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Then, Uday, can you tell me one importance of this SEO? Uday, are you there?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, by using this SEO, ma'am, we can make our business more
Hmm.
reachable to the customers, ma'am.
Yes, correct. We can rank our website, and we can make our no, content appear in the front of visitors, right?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, Uday.
Yes, ma'am.
And who is this? Uh, Xiaomi. The name is not displayed. Can you please unmute yourself and tell me your name? Am I audible to you? No. Okay. So, okay, let's wind up the session for today. We'll start with the on-page SEO in the next session. Okay. Until then, you have to complete your website designing part. And Vanita, you have to share your website link to me. Okay.
Where can I share that?
You can share right now. You can share on the chat box, and later
Okay.
you can share means with the link. You have to share the post also. Have you created post also?
post I've created.
Only one post. Okay, so you can share that on the portal. Okay, I'll tell you in the next session where you can how you can proceed with that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलिए, thank you so much everyone.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.